Good morning, everyone. I'd like to start today with a bit of a relaxation exercise. Take a look at the top picture in the screen behind me and imagine you're really there, sitting at the beach. You've got the breeze rustling by, the waves lapping at your feet, maybe a lone seagull flying overhead. Take a deep breath in and relax. Sounds pretty calm and peaceful, right? Well, it's not quite so calm and peaceful beneath the waves. The ocean's never been a quiet place. It's full of natural noise from wind, waves, and currents, and biological noise from crustaceans, fish, and marine mammals. You see, light doesn't travel very far underwater, so as a result, many marine organisms have evolved to use sound rather than vision to explore the world around them. Some of those animals with the most elaborate and extreme acoustic specializations are dolphins. They use sound to communicate with each other, find prey, avoid predators, and even have echolocation to sense objects in the water around them. But over the last few decades, the ocean's been increasingly filled with another noise source: us. We've got seismic, sonar, pile driving, dredging, big boats, medium boats, small boats, jet skis. The ocean was never quiet, but it has suddenly become a very noisy place. And for many of those dolphin species, their habitat overlaps directly with ours. So how do they cope living in these marine environments that are suddenly noisier than the ones they've evolved to fill? That's where my research comes in. To answer this question, for the last year, I've been studying bottlenose dolphins living in the Swan River going through Perth. One of their main foraging sites is in the Fremantle port. You can see in the bottom of the screen behind me. Not quite the nice, quiet beach we were imagining earlier. And I've been using a hydrophone, essentially an underwater microphone, to record sounds from the dolphins and their environments. I've also been visually observing the animals to record their behaviors. From this information, I can start to characterize exactly how noisy dolphin habitats are. And I can also begin to investigate their communication space. For example, if it's really quiet, maybe dolphins can communicate over a few hundred meters. But if it's really loud, this might get reduced to only a few dozen meters. I want to know, do dolphins have specific strategies for dealing with noisy environments? If their habitats are really loud, maybe they have to be louder too. Or maybe they use visual behaviors a bit more, just like us in a noisy bar. So, how do dolphins deal with these noisy environments? Well, I'll tell you in 2 years. But until then, next time you're sitting at the beach enjoying a moment of calm, take some time to wonder, is it quite so peaceful beneath the waves? Thank you.